Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy coming right back at you with another video. So today we are talking mixed voice. I'm going to be giving you a few exercises to help work towards developing your mixed voice. So let's do this. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Keep it going. Wow, 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 wow. Try not to get too heavy on it as you come up. Wow, 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 wow. Keep it going. Good. One more. Now we're bringing it back down, okay? And wow, 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 wow. Keep it going. Just a few more to go. Last two. And last one. Yum, 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 yum. 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 Keep it going, keep it going. Gotta keep it going. Yum, 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 yum. Good. Gonna bring it back down now. Good. Almost done. Just a few more to go. Good. And last one. Yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Keep it going. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Good. Try not to get too heavy as you come up, okay? Gonna bring it back down now. Yum, 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 yum. Good. Yum, 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 yum. Keep it going. Just a few more to go. Good. Last one. Keep it going. Good. One more. Bring it back down. Good. Keep it going. You're doing great. Amazing, well done. So those exercises are really designed to help you develop your mixed voice, but that is it from me. I will see you again soon. Questions, comments or concerns, I'm pretty sure you already know what to do by now, but you can leave a comment below or you can email me at info@voicesavvy.com. But yeah, that is it from me. Peace.